Hola, soy el señor Medina. El objetivo de hoy que vamos a aprender es cómo utilizar the distance formula, que es aquí, para calcular la distancia de un segmento. ¿Ok? Damos un poquito de información. La forma de distancia ha llegado del teorema de Pitágoras. So I'm going to speak in English. All right, so first of all, the first thing you should do is copy down the endpoints, and that's the first thing that we're going to do. So go ahead. First step is write the endpoints. And you can do it however you want, but I'm going to show you one way that you can do it. That way you don't get confused. So one, then I write the other one this way. You know that the -5 and the 1 are your x. And on this side, the second numbers, the 1 and the -2 is your y. And basically I'm going to substitute them in each one of the distant formula and then calculate. So write it like this so that you don't get yourself confused. So I'm going to go ahead and write the distance formula like this. Now, since I put the -5 first, I'm going to write that down. Be careful because it has a negative here. So that's a minus there. And let me erase this so I can have some more room. Okay, and then it's 1. So I just write down the number 1 and it's square. Alright, so that's so much for our x. So now I'm going to write my y. My y is 1, right? Let me write the sign that comes with the formula. So I'm just copying everything down. And you see how this is negative? So write it exactly like that. That way when you put in the calculator, you don't get yourself confused. And it's square. So hopefully I wrote this down. Okay. Alright, so just one more time. So I put -5 here, minus a sign, and then just 1, and then square, because that's what the formula has right here, square, right? Then I copy the second numbers, that's your y's, y, the minus sign, because part of the formula, and if it's negative, just write in parentheses. Now what you're going to do, just only in your calculator, don't put the whole square root, just put this in your calculator, okay? Just put exactly and ignore the square root for the meantime. Alright, once you do that, and then you're gonna get this answer. So here's that will give me 36. So it's gonna give me 36. This is the answer. Once you calculate, you should get 36 here, and that's 2, 3. That should get 9. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and write down my square root. All right, and then it's gonna give me 45. On the calculator, don't do this on the calculator. You're gonna have to do this by hand, because if you add 36 plus 9, it's gonna give you 45. And necesitamos sacar los pares, right? So what are you gonna get? Well, I'm gonna get 3 times 3 times 5, right? And tengo una pareja de aquí, so my answer is gonna be 3 square root of 5. Okay, don't write your answer in decimal, because I know the calculator can do this. You can do the calculator, the whole thing like this, but I want you to do it like this, because when I get back, I'm gonna add an additional step. Okay, so leave your answer in a square root form. Well, I hope this helps you, and if you have other questions, or if you need to look at the video again, just go to J2Learn and in the calendar, and I'm going to post this video again so that you can see it if you have further questions. Okay, let's see what else, and that's basically about it. And I hope se portan bien and do your work. Thank you very much.